Right, fantastic morning. We say I'm watching Mwakwa Marathon say ya dia gudi munsem down one and pay wo Badwam so. I had some toss to this fantastic out say na boa no dia ba. Na kwa Monday ni every weekend e ba de na say weekend ni ma course pa ya chenikufu de basa no na me go so Kyle e go so tutu na kakra. And this week in a Konwa Kosi weekend there anymore, you know, the final of the UEFA Champions League. And I would say yes, I'm Pioneer Dortmund, Real Madrid, na the Epim so we could be more Tema Community 9, Havana, I honor Adom TV, Adom FM, na Sampa FM, the UEFA Champions League final at the Badwam, the Shane Somame. So I'll be sharing our Havana, Tema Community 9, Dortmund, and Real Madrid. Show Jesse Bra, and Nea Kotoko Shehasi. O bana kwashe okotoko Jesse bia wo bia Shebra mi entala ewo T Havana and kind aviation social center e ho na ye de bebra no hits FM ne dwa FM ti e ma brofo de ne ma twi de ti en shell T Havana and afisho no and kind our aviation social center Black Starlights nice always think a bit my qualify for the final, and of course I qualify for Africa. We won't get call final in the African I qualify Canada but Burkina Faso to me at Ghana no me come you do me Timo Bako after a wonderful start to the tournament like Kings and American to me qualify for the final Burkina Faso to me at Boyeka I am you know me at Timbako Joseph Nabi the share Ghana go back up share in that particular game.
Too many green shirts and they get the ball away from Ajevi. Pushes it forward. One-on-one situation. Arma comes in to salvage the stage. But this could be it for Burkina Faso. They are in the lead. Allowing Burkina Faso's Tapsoba Asharaf to get the opening goal of the evening. But not powerful, naughty. Drives it through into the 18-yard box. The flag stays down. Opportunities coming the way of Ghana. Chivanyo twisting and turning. That's Nabi. Oh! Oh! What a goal! What a goal! Inch perfect cross on balls there by Norte. Controlled beautifully as Captain Chivanyo turned. Laid on the pass and brought it from behind. And look! Burkina Faso intention is to win most of the 50-50 balls and they allow the player to go through them. Michael has been beaten again. It's a brace for Asharaf. A brace for Asharaf Tapsoba. It was an unsteady with some indecisiveness. And Asharaf Tapsoba. Ball headed away and that's it. It's all over. The Greens have it.
Wow. So news by after the game against Burkina Faso, head coach Lai Kingston at the press conference today to just say you man not at all when you be more resign and then ma call and send train over Biani. But yeah, correct. So that's our press conference in Sikoi.
Ghanaians know me as a player. Ghanaians know the work and everything that I gave to this country as a player. I gave my all, and I will continue doing that. I have everything I want to do for this country. I give my all as a player, but at the end, I wasn't happy as a player. I focus more on my coaching career, educate myself well, to make sure I come back and change the narrative. The investment I put in myself, all because I want to change something in Ghana football. And for me, for these 6-7 months, I've given my all. I've done my part as a technical person, as a coach. I've done my part for that. And after we came back from Russia, that's when I decided either we win, we qualify, I'm moving on. So in this case, I'm resigning. After this tournament, I'm resigning as under 17 coach. I've made that decision already before this tournament starts.
Right, there's all liking somebody to and so Ghana be about the 3rd and 4th place. without licensing. The Ghana Football Association saw the letter by Tuja church money be CC no crack licensing na press conference as say on twa Jumadi ni subi ni adia say niam bi we ya na nsem fata no koka na chairman adwa enti ni nyina aka ho na adia ati and one saman by Mfio Nkopi on the Ghanaian Premier League na yeguso hwe said ne be koso Kumasi match day 31 Metema Kumasi Sane Koroko are completely a double over Accra Folk. First leg omo boy omo share has no masan no mo bi mu a Mukwala but 2 goals edema Metema Kumasi Sane Koroko baba nyara sports stadium yanko pie mu Kumasi
Desi Mukwala, the Ugandan goalmonger, puts the Porcupines ahead, and this is a major statement for Mukwala after receiving the call-up to the cranes of Uganda national team ahead of the World Cup qualifiers. It's 8 minutes at the Barbayera Stadium, and Kotoko up by 1-0, courtesy Steve Desi Mukwala, his 13th of the season. Kotoko 1-0. Look at the ball floated for Mukwala. Winimi unable to catch up with the pace and strength of Mukwala. You're thinking he should have been doing better. The Porcupines in the lead at the Barbayara, and it's Steve Desi Mukwala. He scored twice against the Phobians in the first round, and he's opened the scoring. 9. Here is Morrison. Now Somwa. Mukwala stays onside. Here is Mukwala. The Ugandan steps forward. Mukwala with a lovely dummy. Mukwala! Mukwala makes it 2-0 for Asante Kotoko. Deep in stoppage time. And Ogum can only look on and applaud the effort of Mukwala. 14 goals for Mukwala, and this one has come deep in stoppage time. At the end of the game, Mukwala doubles Kotoko's lead, and the Porcupines are home and dry at this point. It's Kotoko 2, Hearts 0. A double for Mukwala and 2 goals for Asante Kotoko, and the Phobians are crestfallen. There you see them, their reaction says it all. Disappointed to the core. 2 goals for...
And so a double over Hazavok. Mukwala first leg Obogumu, second leg so Asambe Bogum at the Hazavok. And some of actually or that game moment up. Yankoche 2 coaches then some money to Prosper Nete Ogum and Watara on your coach the Mahatofok.
Beating Hasselfolk back to back. It's not an easy job, so I'm happy. I think it's an honor for this group of players. It's been a while since I think this thing happened. I'm not very sure of when this actually happened, but it's been a while, so we are all happy. And you could see when the final whistle was blown, and I think Steve made it so beautiful. There's no motivation than this. Beating Hasselfolk of all teams is enough motivation for the players to know that the 3 games left, they need to work harder than they have worked today, so that we position ourselves very well.
That's the reality of the football. When you can't score, you can't play well, don't play at taking the chance. Kotoko have a good side today. I congratulate them. We are playing badly. Once we didn't play well, Kotoko take his chance, we lost. I don't want to say anything about anybody. I have a time to talk with the boys and everybody. Wow.
So I don't know coaches now. Me and somebody to get results at pass. So Diana, that's an FIBO Nations by goal to Neo Karela. Ebon Swatreman 2 goals to 1. Accra Lions tonight FIBO became 3-0. Great Olympics breaking Chelsea 3-2 out of Lions. We need 2-0 over Samatex, and I RTU ball Legon Cities by a goal to 0. Gold Stars winning 2-1 over Dreams, and about 4 Mediema watching a ball and come one to me auntie now home wins in Kwa, and it's about 49 and my Mediema eba besheno now after this match. You know, a table next year, and interesting. But the House of Folk Dano, the next games, they don't even know one year and one. So bit my shit. Samatex on top of the table with 55 points. Samatex, the IND League in Obegia and Adriana Tosso, me no 49. Mediema Tosso, me and San 49. Nations Tosso 9 or 48. So we be say Kotoko Tosso Kron 43 points. And Bibiani Gold Stars, Idio 43. Also, Folk, Free Banyanyai. Okopimo omo kwa brechumu Olympics na da so pe 36 has to folk down so 38 aka senya senketwa there been seasons obi di 40 points aka relegation pen enti has of folk 38 na ehu pa na wiane anwumre e ba na de chinse ma ba has da relegation na pam pe no ohujanim no ohujam mo e bompa na Olympics na woni na April na Olympics na da no woni Olympics o match wow. Yes, as be cool, as better than running crabia, and a better and so on. Mission on the 1st of June. Remember, Danny Muye Shell T Havana, Tama Community 9, and only the final of the UEFA Champions League, bro. Me shot near Tala for Jesse Brad, near Boom, Fichano Panundu, Sakusi said you ran game the best starter now. Yeah, games I would watch Jenny, the Dianom, you and Sana match and I shall see you reno. To me, Shadow Park was in Uranian Shibum, and no T Havana, Tama Community 9, a Virgin Social Center, and no a Dre, any SFM, so they share our vision. Yaje and can aboso any tema so aboso and you won't film yeshibo mabibia and to menya kama Sergio Manojo Bernard Paribo me producers Kejuaran Kasani Eric Asidu Body they are pomodi on some betwaso koso hebegem